To succeed in SEO, you have to create high quality backlinks. It's crucial, but most people have no idea what to do, where to build them, or what a good backlink even looks like. So I'm going to take you through my agency's backlink gap strategy that will help you identify which high quality backlinks all of your competitors have that you do not. So that you can go out and you can establish these backlinks and smash your competitors off page one. This backlink gap strategy is what my agency initially uses with every new SEO client that we take on, and it shows you where all the high quality and easy to secure backlinks are across the internet. Now, this doesn't take a lot of effort, but it has extremely high reward. And once you've completed the backlink gap strategy, you can move into some more advanced link building strategies, which we cover in other videos on this channel. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. To run this strategy, you'll need to take advantage of a free software provider that allows you to do this. Now, we recommend SemRush or Ahrefs, Ahrefs, however you want to pronounce it. Now, these are paid softwares, but they have free trial versions that you can take advantage of. The paid versions are more for agencies like myself who need to do this sort of thing every single day. But once you've secured your free trial, you have to abuse it, and you can download as much data as you want. So get downloading and you can save all the PDFs somewhere safe. Now let's get into it and I'll show you exactly how to do this. Okay guys, shout out to SemRush, fantastic software, and this is the backlink gap link building strategy. So you can see here within the system, you can, like I said, get a free trial for here. So you can come down to this backlink gap section. And what I've done here is I've chosen a really competitive business for SEO, and that is UPVC windows and doors. It's massively competitive. So these are all people who compete locally to where we are, based in Cambridgeshire, near a little town called Huntingdon, where I'm filming now. And these are the 5 people that are appearing on page 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on find prospects there, and that will bring up this screen. So you can see here that you put in your domain name into one of the areas and then your competitors. You can only compare 5, but you can do this as many times as you want. And like I said, you really need to abuse your free trial and then export all of this data. Export as much of the data as you can, because if you're just doing it for one business, you only need to do this one. Your free trial's fine. The paid versions, they're more for agencies, because we're doing this every single day, day in, day out, for a variety of clients, like 60, 70 clients we're working with now. So what it's brought up here is the backlink gap. And what we can see here, this is the links, the backlinks from which have been established. So these companies, 4 out of 5 of them, this would be you in the blue dot here. And you can see here that it's got a big fat 0 in this column right the way down. And then you can see across here how many backlinks these companies have got with this relevant link. Now, what we can say for construction.co.uk is that's a business listing website. That is free and easy and done very quickly to get a backlink for your company on that website. It's got a relatively high authority score. So you can see the authority score there. It's their proprietary metric used to measure overall quality of domain and influence on SEO. It's a score between 1 and 100. Generally, the higher the backlink score, the authority score for the backlink, the better. You don't want to be going and establishing loads of backlinks like this with an authority score of 2. It's going to have very little weight and very little effect on your SEO, but a backlink with an authority score of 35 or 51, for example, is going to do you a world of good. So what I would be doing if I was working for SJ Windows is I would be getting some free business listings on construction.co.uk. You can see here that 4 out of 5 have got backlinks with this business, dir.co.uk, with an authority score of 27. So I'd also be getting a backlink on that business directory. And we have another video which explains 3 easy backlink strategies, one of which does contain the backlink gap, but another one is around some other software that we use called Bright Local, where you can establish loads of these backlinks really, really quickly. And we'll link this video somewhere, click around, my editor will sort that out. Okay, so we can see here that we've got the matches. Now it's organized this from top to bottom. So we've got these 4 businesses here, which 4 out of the 5 page 1 competitors have backlinks for. And then it goes down and down and down. And we can see we have 24 pages of results. If you click on this little thing here, this will take you out and it will open up another tab, which will take you to the website. So you can start to see the types and qualities of the websites that they've secured these backlinks for. Now, the thing with it is the higher quality, the better, as we've discussed, but it also has to be relevant. So if 4 out of 5 of your competitors have backlinks to a certain website, but it's not relevant to what they do, don't go and establish that backlink. It needs to be high quality in terms of the authority score and really, really relevant to what you do. We can also see here Yale.com. Again, this is a free listing website, massively high authority score. Some of the companies have a massive amount of backlinks with Yale.com, and you should look at these backlinks, look how they've established this high number and see if you can replicate success there. Because all of these companies rank higher than SJ Windows, and they're the ones that SJ Windows are going to be chasing. And if you can build these backlinks and you can bridge that gap, you bring yourself into a closer position to them. And then when you start implementing the other strategies that we teach on this channel, you can look to punch ahead, because with double glazing Windows, everybody just goes to Google. Content isn't particularly going to work because it's dry, it's boring, no one really cares. Google ads are going to work, but you have to pay for that traffic. Social media advertising isn't really going to work because it's just not interesting. It's going to be difficult to encourage those clicks. Email marketing could work, but you have to first get people to sign up to your email, so you're going to have something compelling there. But everyone's going to Google. So you really, for this type of business, you've got 2 real options, 2 real strategies. And you've got Google advertising and SEO. SEO is free traffic. If you can get on page 1 and you can maintain your positions on page 1, that traffic is going to keep rolling and rolling and rolling. And backlinks, as well as some other things that we talk about on this traffic, such as page speed and your content and your website structure, etc. But backlinks are going to be a massive part of it. So bridge the backlink gap, then push on ahead of your competitors and get dominating on page 1. So I hope that helps. Do like and subscribe. If you have any comments, ask them. I will respond within just a couple of hours. So get those questions coming in if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.